This short guide shows how to buy shares of SCWorx Corp, searching specifically for how to buy shares of SCWorx Corp under the ticker WORX. SCWorx is an industrial technology company listed on NASDAQ, and this video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker WORX to find the correct listing. Double-check the company name in the results to ensure you select the SCWorx Corp share. On the SCWorx asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for WORX. Verify the company details and ticker to confirm this is the correct stock before proceeding. Choose the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled or executed at the next market session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it confirms the trade. After the order is executed, you will see the position appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is included in the description below.